Captain Ellis,
Yes, ma'am.
I've noticed you have some amazing tattoos. What is going on your arm?
Fighting fire for free, 24/7, 365. And what I firmly believe, it's for the passion, not the pay. So I've been a volunteer for 38 years, 35 of those years here at Kelso too. And if it's not for passion, it's definitely not for pay. What's my 7 words of wisdom?
Don't make me have to find you.
So he remembered it. He remembered it over the holiday weekend. I started in the high school program in 1985 in Arizona, not here. I started in Arizona where I grew up. And I stayed with it as a volunteer. I never got into the career side. I did spend a short stint up in Toodle as the fire chief for about 7-8 months. And I decided being down with the little people is way better than being up there. Oh, yeah. And I really liked the high school program, and I wasn't able to be the fire chief and a high school instructor both. So I chose this because, again, the passion is with the young folks. I started out with the young folks. When they're out there in the fire service, what we're trying to get them to do is repetition. I could sit here and talk to them all day about how to fight fire, but if they're not out there actually doing it and learning those skill sets, my job is to teach them to have this foundation to build that house, right? I make that foundation, whether it's to build a firehouse or to build an auto shop house or to build a police house. My job is to give them that foundation.